Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have our Tili box. This is the latest Tili, so let's get in here and see what we've got. Tili box is a QVC box. They say try it, love it. They put several of the cosmetics that they carry on QVC in here, sometimes full size, sometimes sample sizes. It is $25. I will be letting you know here if it is still available on the day that I put this up. It has been being available lately. This is a really pretty box this month. It's a nice deep kind of royal blue, so pretty. It had a piece of paper on top that will tell us about everything that's inside. I have this on auto delivery, which with QVC means that it just comes automatically every month. And what I like about that is I really like to show you guys this, but I like to be surprised with you. So since I don't have to go in every month and buy it, I just let it come to me. I get to be surprised. And when you open it up, it's just a lot of tissue paper. It's a lot of tissue paper this month. And those are all our samples. Look, Ma, no win. Reaching right in, I have a Bright Eyes by Bio Beauty. These are eye masks. I have had them in other boxes, but I don't know that we've ever had them in a QVC box. One of the things with the QVC Tili box is you will often have repeats. I don't mind it as much because some of the things that they repeat I actually really like, so I don't mind getting more of them. That happened, I can see that that's happened in this box. And when it happens for me, it usually pays for the box. But that is what that looks like. And it is just a Bright Eyes Illuminating Colloidal Silver and Collagen Eye Gel. So just masks for under the eyes. And the paperwork says, and I will try and let you know what the value is here of what we received in the box plus what it would be full size. This says that these temporarily improve the appearance of the under eye area. The patches help temporarily brighten the appearance of skin for a more glowing, luminous look and help make the appearance of uneven skin tone seem less apparent. They also help to moisturize the skin for a smoother look, help temporarily diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and help visibly reduce the appearance of puffiness for a more rested and refreshed look. Okay, next we have a Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Glow Serum. And it is definitely a sample sized. It is 5 ml. It says this is a 75% hyaluronic acid complex that keeps the skin hydrated with an invisible veil of moisture. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, which can attract up to 1,000 times its weight in water from moisture in the air. With that much hyaluronic acid in it, you're going to want to be sure and put, I would say, something else on top of this, because if it doesn't have moisture to take from above, it will take it out of your skin. So with a 75% hyaluronic acid, I would use another cream on top of this personally. It doesn't have much of a scent. It turns very wet and liquidy. I bet that absorbs. We'll just leave it there. Next, something that we do often get as a repeat is the original moisturizing oil from Josie Maran. And you can use this for everything. You can use it to moisturize your face, your hands. It got me in the deepest, darkest of this winter when my hands were so incredibly dry. I was putting this on the back of my hands, and it is the only thing that was keeping me sane because my hands wanted to crack so badly. I put it a couple drops on my hands and I rub my hands together before bed sometimes, and I pull it through my lengths I use it for a lot of stuff. It is cold pressed from the nuts of the Moroccan argan tree. Argan oil contains exceptionally high levels of essential fatty acids. This pure argan oil helps nourish and revitalize the skin and hair. Next, and this is different for QVC, I have an Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. That is so funny. My mom uses a lot of the Estee Lauder moisturizers, and we were just saying the other day because she needed to order some, it's a shame I don't get any Estee Lauder in any of my boxes. So I have a night cream she can try. This is 0.23 fluid ounces or 7 ml, and it just looks like a little regular one. It is just a big hole that you would put your finger over, so I'm not going to do that because I am going to pass this on to my mom. It doesn't have much of a scent at all. All right, let's see what the paperwork says. Which actually, kind of interesting, we have paperwork that tells us a little bit about these. We don't usually get that from QVC. It says, experience the next generation of a revolutionary formula. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex is a nighttime serum for the appearance of youthful-looking, hydrated skin. Helps skin feel smoother and hydrated. Now in a glass bottle. I can't tell. I think this might not be glass. The complex is also formulated with hyaluronic acid, which helps to provide moisture. Okay, so we got a little Estee Lauder. Next, and this one's for me, I have the Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. It seems like every other month we either get the night cream or the day cream. I don't mind it at all. We've been getting, yeah, this is 0.5 ounces. I'll be letting you know here the value. I know the day cream value was like $42, and half an ounce lasts me, it lasts a while, probably the 2 months. So I have been getting from Tili Box to Tili Box, and it more than covers the cost of my Tili Box, just the one thing. Now, I'm not sure about the night cream. Like I said, I've let you know here, but that is what it looks like. And the paperwork says, Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream is an anti-aging beauty night cream formulated with a blend of Laminaria red algae extract, Mediterranean algae, Padina povanca, and other ingredients to help improve skin's suppleness. And I like it. It does have a scent. It's sealed, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it sealed. It does have a scent. So if when you use a night cream, you don't want it to have a scent, which is totally understandable, you're getting ready to go to sleep. This might not be perfect for you, but I like it. It doesn't bother me at all, and I don't have a problem using it. It doesn't make my face mad. Okay, next, I have no idea what this is. Shiro Shadow Sticks. Like hero, but Shiro. Oh, it's from Belle Beauty, which is a Kim Gravel brand. That is what that looks like. The paperwork says this Belle Beauty Shiro Shadow Stick is a must-have tool for creating unique and stunning eye looks. The easy-to-blend formula delivers rich, buildable pigment for natural to bold looks. Shiro Shadow Sticks accentuate the natural beauty in your eyes. And this is in mulberry, it says. Ooh, so it's kind of purple. Purpley brown, I can't tell. That is what it did. It mostly looks brown to me. I thought mulberry was purple. When it blends out, it definitely looks brown to me, but this is another one of those ones where I say, you better put it where you want it, girl. It did blend out, but if that were on my eyes, I had to get into it a little more than you really want to on your eyes. But it does blend out. Just use less in the beginning than I did and do it in stages. The Peter Thomas Roth is not really drying down. It's staying sticky. I don't think that's my favorite. Next we have Saint-Tropez Gradual Tan Watermelon Infusion. Alike. Everyday Moisture Miracle Body Lotion. So it's a body lotion that's a gradual tan. Ooh, I like the idea of that because when I tan, as you can imagine, it's stark when I tan, and if I don't do it really well, I end up so patchy. This says, picnic season is upon us. Before you pack up the basket and spread the blanket, give yourself a gorgeous glowing tan with Saint-Tropez Self-Tan Watermelon Infusion Bronzing Mousse. It's the brand's iconic, lightweight, classic mousse, now with a refreshing watermelon scent. Self-Tan Watermelon Infusion Bronzing Mousse contains hyaluronic acid, known as a moisturizer skincare ingredient that has been shown to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Well, I can't sample this because if I put this on the back of my hand, bad things will happen. And last, we have Bobbi Brown. We have a long wear cream shadow stick, and this is 0.03 ounces, 0.9 grams, so not even a gram. Ombre cream stick in golden pink. That sounds promising. And this says, for women who want to get gorgeous eyes in one simple step, Bobbi Brown long wear cream shadow stick glides on lids, tug-free, and can be used to shade, define, smoke up, and highlight eyes. Let's check it out. Golden pink sounds fantastic. So it's definitely a sample size. Ooh, that looks gorgeous. Oh, I like that a lot. How fun would that be? Just like if you're gonna go to the pool and you wanna put a little something to pop your eyes. This is like one of the first shadow sticks that I thought, you know what? I think I will definitely use that. I mean, I wish I could put it on now. What would happen if I just smudged it in the middle? Can you tell? No, we can't tell. I gotta do it over here anyway, just in case. I like that. I will definitely be trying that more. This is, by the way, if you watched my Boxycharm pop-up add-on, one of the last couple that I did, I had a Lime Crime Venus 3, I think, palette. This is that, and I like it a lot. Okay, back to the point. This is the Tili box, and that is what we received in it. We got the Bright Eyes from Beauty Bio eye patches, the Saint-Tropez Gradual Tan Watermelon Infusion, the Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream, 2 thumbs up from this sensitive gal, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Glow Serum, the Belle Beauty Shiro eyeshadow, and this was in a darker brown. Actually, if you were much better at this than me, you could probably make the two colors that we got in shadow sticks work. The Josie Maran 0.5 ounce 100% argan oil, which I have used for years, and the Bobbi Brown gorgeous golden pink eyeshadow stick. I wonder how that one dried down. Yeah, it's still on the move. The only problem with that for me, I would have to blend it out like that because I have such hooded eyes that when I put on something that doesn't dry down automatically, like if I just put it when I go and open my eyes, it transfers to my lid. So I really need it to dry down. We'll see how it does. So I would say that's probably, I don't think they consider them monthly, but I've only had this for a few days. So this is a timely QVC Tili box. Again, I will let you know here if it is still available. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I'll see you really soon. Take care, guys.